When searching for the best gutter repair, replacement gutters, gutter guard, and downspouts in Canton, Georgia, be sure to get a free estimate by Gutter Repair and Replacement. Gutters that overflow during rainfall or leaking gutters and downspouts should be repaired right away, as they can cause much more costly damage to your home. At Gutter Repair and Replacement, we custom fit and install all sizes and colors of residential and commercial gutters, including K, half round, and box style gutters in aluminum, copper, and galvalume with rectangular or round downspouts. To prevent leaves from clogging up your new gutters and to keep squirrels out of your attic, we install the best looking and most effective gutter guard systems on the market today. So don't take chances with your home. Call the gutter experts at 404-999-2646 and be sure to bookmark our website at gutterrepairandreplacement.com.